Welcome to the Explainer. Right off the bat, we're diving into one of the most persistent headaches for cloud, database, and IT ops professionals, complex integration monitoring. If you're managing modern enterprise systems, you already know that keeping everything connected and running smoothly is, well, it's a beast. Today, we're exploring how OCI Log Analytics is basically flipping the script by bringing intelligent process monitoring straight to Oracle Fusion SaaS and Oracle Integration Cloud, or OIC. We'll show you exactly how to snag these skills and use them in your own environments.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap. We'll tackle the modern integration challenge, unlock unified visibility, get our hands dirty with AI troubleshooting, drive some real business value, and finally, wrap up with your action plan.
So, quick question for you. When a cross-app integration just completely breaks down, honestly, how long does it actually take you to find the root cause? For a lot of us in IT ops, that's where the cold sweat starts, right? You're dealing with blind spots, siloed systems, and spending hours, sometimes literally days, just trying to connect the dots between an event in one app and a total meltdown in another. It's a brutal pain point.
That brings us to Section 1, the Modern Integration Challenge, where the stakes are incredibly high.
Look, modern businesses absolutely do not run on isolated apps anymore. They run on connected processes. We're talking payroll, purchase orders, complex financial reporting. So when a workflow snaps, it's not just some random log correlation error sitting on a back-end server somewhere. We're talking about a delayed payroll run or a dropped purchase order that brings the supply chain to a grinding halt. The burden drops directly on IT operations to fix it instantly, because the business impact is immediate.
Honestly, the old way of troubleshooting is incredibly painful. You're constantly digging through siloed logs, stuck in this endless loop of reactive triage, which obviously creates a ton of friction between IT and the business side. But the new way? Powered by OCI Log Analytics, we move to correlated process traces, AI anomaly detection, and totally unified dashboards. You're no longer just staring at fragments of data. You get this complete, intelligent picture of the entire process flow. It's a game changer.
Moving on to Section 2, Unlocking Unified Visibility. Let's look at the learning session.
So what does this tool actually do? Well, OCI Log Analytics is a solution purpose-built to deliver intelligent process monitoring. The whole goal is to keep your Oracle Fusion SaaS and Oracle Integration Cloud running reliably, securely, and at a massive scale. It essentially takes all that chaos of a million moving parts and just cuts through the noise, replacing absolute guesswork with definitive, actionable data.
And the sheer scope of this visibility is wild. We aren't just looking at one single app. You get proactive issue detection across ESS jobs, BI Publisher, Oracle Integration Cloud, the Oracle database itself, Apex, and the broader cloud infrastructure. It completely wipes out those dangerous blind spots across the stack. So you can finally see exactly how a minor database hiccup is delaying a BI Publisher report down the line. It connects the whole shebang.
All right, Section 3, Hands-on AI Troubleshooting. Let's talk about the lab experience.
Let's see how this builds into a practical workflow. In the interactive lab, you'll start by tracking end-to-end business flows using log-based monitoring for context. Then, the real magic happens. You use built-in machine learning and AI log pattern recognition to just instantly spot anomalies. This lets you isolate issues incredibly fast. The AI does the heavy lifting, taking you from a massive mountain of raw logs to actual actionable insights in a fraction of the time. This practical application is exactly what empowers IT to achieve true cross-app observability. You learn how to connect the dots across OSI and massive SaaS ecosystems like your ERP, HCM, or CX apps. Say an integration between your CX platform and your ERP fails, you don't have to go checking 5 different monitoring tools anymore. You just trace that specific business flow right across the applications, all in one centralized place.
Section 4, Driving Real Business Value. It's time to bridge IT and business.
Ultimately, it all boils down to this: protect the bottom line. You have to prevent process slowdowns from impacting payroll, orders, and revenue. As cloud and IT pros, it's so easy to get caught up in the technical specs, but this is exactly why your work matters. Your ability to monitor and quickly fix these flows directly safeguards the core operations of the company. You are literally the frontline defense protecting revenue.
It's awesome to see how these technical capabilities map perfectly to actual business outcomes. Take auditable insights and usage analytics that directly allows the business to hit compliance with confidence and easily prove controls to auditors. Unified dashboards, they turn raw technical data into shared insights, so IT and business teams finally speak the exact same language and move faster together. And AI-assisted anomaly detection means you're resolving issues proactively, completely avoiding a business impact. It's a win-win across the board.
Finally, Section 5. Your action plan for Oracle AI World.
If you want to learn this playbook and actually put it into practice, you need to reserve your spot right now because seats are definitely limited. First, sign up for the learning session. That's code LRN3236 to understand the best practices for intelligent insights. Then, immediately follow that up by grabbing a spot in the hands-on lab, code HOL3232, where you'll actually simulate these environments and optimize those business flows yourself. It's the ultimate one-two punch.
I'll leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to stop guessing and start knowing exactly what's happening in your integrations? The tools to hit total observability are right there waiting for you. It's time to kill those blind spots, empower your IT teams, and protect the bottom line. Go grab your spots in those sessions, master that observability stack, and take total control of your enterprise integrations. Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and keep learning.